What's up? Got a couple bikes back from a buddy that builds all my stuff. Been doing some tinkering. We added a Tioga CD disc on there. Swapped the blue tires to white. That's an old Predator Pro Freeform. Those things are sick. That's got the rare blue seat. This old 09 here, that's a 09 Ultra. I just put Boss Freestyle bars on it, GT Super Lace wheels. Found a pad set. Man, that thing's sick. Even put RevCore pedals on there, first gens. If you want details, walk-arounds on these bikes, check out the rest of my videos. Subscribe, like, and share. Peace.